Why me kick Chin out of the box?
But you did kick me out of the box. You did.
But me I tell you say, me not have time to kick you out of the
So
box.
when me do, me can't read. Me can't read.
Me have to kick you out for Chin. That is minor thing. That is minor thing.
No,
for me,
girl, it's more than one time. Yo, you funny as hell. It's more than one time. Bobby.
Bobby, kick you out of the box.
Bobby.
You ever see me kick nobody out of my
We
box?
can read, right? We can read, right?
Yeah.
Me and I have a disagreement.
Right.
If you TikTok a
Blood clots.
Why me I kick you out of the box for?
As I was saying, we had a difference in opinion about age difference and dating. Fine.
Right.
I came out
Right.
of the box. But I come back in the box and I tell her my point and she tell me fair one. I'm sit down back in the box. I was woman enough after I come out of the box to come back in the box and talk to her.
Yeah.
I mean, then I start joke it out now and I said, blood clot, like how me and Krista whatever a while ago. As my son had me honestly disconnected by life creator. So me get added back. I mean, I don't know why me I jump out of the live. Me see it again.
Some moderator can take you out and it's a live creator.
Yo, later.
You didn't know some moderator can take you out and it's a live creator.
So which moderator you have over there go kick me out? So have a different fucking opinion.
Well on there, Crystal, Crystal, let me hear it.
Because if the moderator kick me out, you don't know who the blood clot moderator will kick me out.
Chin, hold on there.
Mama talk. Hurry up and talk, Barbie.
If moderator kick me out, you would have known who kicked me out.
Chin, 1 second there. What me I try to figure out, say, right? I just want to hear what Chin I finish say, and then I want to say something, and then I want Crystal to say something. Cause I want to say like